Hey guys, it's me again with another Amazon tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to set up a passkey on your Amazon account. So we can see that you're in your Amazon homepage, and you can see this top right corner with the drop down box select account. After selecting accounts, you can see a lot of Amazon features here: orders, security, prime, addresses, and many more. So we will go to login and security. So after logging in your credentials, we will proceed to the next step. So you can see that I am also have a two-factor authentication code which I teach you in the previous videos. So that will go to your mobile number. Then we press enter. Upon confirming your two-step verification, you can see here a lot of setups. So you can see here passkey. Then just set up passkey and press set up and just create your passkey, create a recovery code, then just press confirm. So now the passkey is now complete and safe, and at your next login you can use your passkey to automatically log into your device, and it's a extra security measure for your device. So once again, thank you for watching this video, and I will teach you more Amazon tutorials for more videos to come.